Hello everybody, today this is going to be my intro. There's a ghost right in my face. Hello everybody, today I'm back on the channel. It's 55555 and my friend Weston is going to be at the end of the video when the fireworks start. I'll see y'all. Hello everybody, this is my friend Weston. Yet. We're on the same team. We're on the same baseball team. Estates! Yeah! Estates rock. Tonight, we're gonna
be showing you what we will be watching. Fireworks.
Yep. And we're watching dudes play some football in the dark. Well, our moms don't want us to do anything except chill out, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna just do this video for all y'all. Make sure you leave a like. And make sure you subscribe.
See which team you like, SA or Cardinals?
The Cardinals are pretty good. Big Alright. Okay, I see y'all there. Airplane, everybody. Airplane. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you put in the descriptions and tell why you like airplanes and why are they so awesome. See you at the fireworks. Fireworks!
Look! Oh.
Fireworks. They got a heart shape. Guys, they got a heart shape.
Are you watching?
I'm watching on my phone.
Come on, young brother.
Actions.
Oh, wow. See that one?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's where Mama's colors right there. The sparkly,
Whoa!
All they did was cry through the whole time.
Oh my God!
see that, Katie?
It's not doing it on there. Yes, it is. That's all of it. Nope.
They must have a lot of fireworks.
It's over.
Oh, it ain't so.
Air sheets.
will be it for our video. And I hope you give a big fat thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you all later. Goodbye. Bye.